Okay, yeah. We have a question here before us. An electric motor powered by a 110 volt root mean square supply draws a current of 8 ampere. This motor is used to lift what? A mass of 50 kilograms through a vertical distance of what? 5.5 meters in 5 seconds. If the value of this is given to us as this, the efficiency of the motor is what? What is the efficiency of this motor? So we want to find this. So quickly, let's go solving this problem. Okay, efficiency is usually expressed in percentage. Efficiency of the motor is going to give us as what? Power output, okay, divided by what? Power input. I told you, express the word percentage. Okay, now let's go quickly. Let's break this down. Now, what do we mean by power output and power input? Power output has to do with what? The result of what is going to come out, or what you want to actually do. But you need something, you need power input. What you get from your word, from your electrical mains, is your word, your power input. Now, what you're going to use that electrical mains to do or to execute is what we call what? Our power output. So please take note of the difference. Now, remember that this electric motor is supplying us this, okay, and that. Is supplying us that. So that is going to be what? Our input from the electrical mains is supplying us that. So it's supplying us this and that. That's our power input. Now, it is going to be used to lift a load, the power output. So we have what? We are giving mass, we are giving distance, and we are giving what? Time. And what is power? Power is what? The rate at which work is done. So work over what? Work done over time taken is our power. So the power output at this instance is going to be what? MGH over what? Over time. Alright? Now, what will be the power input? Power input is simply what? Okay, what is coming in? Okay? I and V. I and V. So we have it as what? I and V. All expressed in 100. Please take note of how I'm breaking it down for you to understand. What is our mass? Given to us as 50 kilograms. Value of G is 10. The height is what? Or the vertical distance is what? 5.5. All divided by the current that is flowing through this is what? 8 ampere. The voltage is what? 110. And what? The time is what? 5 seconds. Please take note of this. Okay, so let's break these things down. Let's break them down. Okay, we can simply do it this way. I am going to apply my mathematics here. This goes with that. So what do we have? The 5 here cancels the 5 here. Okay, so what do we have now? Now we simply have 10 times 5.5 should give me what? 55. So I simply have what? My efficiency, okay, to be what? 55 times what? 55 times what? 100. Okay, divided by what? 8 times what? 11. So my 11 here 1, 11 here is what? Is 5. I simply have what? 500 divided by what? By 8. So what do we do? 8 in 50 will give me what? 6. Because 8 times 6 is what? Is 48. So I'm left with 2. Alright, in 20, 8 in 20 to give me what? To give me 2. Alright? That's 8 times 2 is 16. Remaining what? Remaining 4. 8 cannot go in 4. I put my decimal point. Then in 40, 8 to go in 40 is just what? 5 times. So my answer is simply what? 62.5 in what? In percentage. Now, according to the options given to us in this question, it simply means that option what? Option B is the correct option. Please take note of these things. Very important. See you next class.